Okay, welcome. We got another package to open for CryptoPonics. Not exactly sure what it is, but we will open it up and find out. It was jammed in my mailbox, so we'll see. I think it can be opened up fairly easily like that. Open up this way. Hopefully, we'll see what's in here. Oh, thank goodness. So what this is a kilowatt or a wattman. So you plug it into the wall, for example, or you plug, something into this 3-prong outlet, and then you plug the device you're trying to measure into this outlet, and it will tell you the true amount of electricity that's being used for that item. So I bought this so I can track the mining rigs and find out what the true electrical usage is versus what the cards are telling me, right? So we'll do a test with it, we'll play around with it, figure it out, and get that done. So the reason this is required is for CryptoPonics. We have to calculate our energy usage and stuff like that to heat the water, etc., etc. So I'll have this going forward to determine the actual amount of electricity we're using. Okay? So that's it for this unboxing. Thank you for joining me. This is we'll call it the kilowatt. It's a watt meter. It measures the current flow and calculates based on voltage how many watts you have. Okay? Thank you for joining me. Bye.